Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best adult tricycles available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the King Dongza adult tricycle with front and rear baskets, shock absorbers, and an adjustable seat. This tricycle aims to deliver a premium riding experience, combining durability with practicality. The high-carbon steel frame is rust-resistant and built to last, while the magnesium alloy anti-skid tires ensure a smooth ride even on uneven terrains. The sofa-style seat and large storage basket make it perfect for carrying groceries or enjoying leisurely outings. However, this tricycle's hefty price tag of over $1,000 puts it in a category all its own. While its build quality is top-notch, the weight of 66 pounds may make it difficult to maneuver for some riders. Additionally, assembly is required, which can be a bit complex for beginners. Despite these drawbacks, its advanced features, like the sensitive front and rear brakes and shock absorption system, provide added safety and comfort, making it suitable for those who want a high-end option. Overall, this tricycle is ideal for users who prioritize premium materials and advanced features. It's a great pick for seniors or shoppers looking for a durable and stylish companion for outdoor activities. The main downside is its price, making it less accessible for budget-conscious buyers. At number 4, we have the Vever folding adult tricycle, which combines practicality with portability. This tricycle's foldable design makes it perfect for those who need a space-saving option or want to transport it easily. Its sturdy aluminum alloy frame is resistant to deformation and oxidation, ensuring longevity even with regular use. The adjustable seat and high-rise handlebars allow for a comfortable riding posture for users of different heights. One of its standout features is the large basket, which supports up to 265 pounds, making it perfect for shopping trips or picnic outings. The shock-absorbing front fork and dual brake system provide smooth and secure rides, even on challenging terrains. Despite its many positives, the Vever tricycle has a lower customer satisfaction rating of 3.3 stars, with some users citing assembly difficulties and limited performance compared to higher-priced models. This tricycle is a solid choice for casual riders and seniors looking for a reliable, foldable option. While it's not the most feature-packed or durable model on the list, it offers excellent value for its unique folding feature and sturdy construction. It's ideal for those who prioritize portability and convenience over cutting-edge performance. Taking the third spot is the Mobo Cruiser, a recumbent-style tricycle designed for comfort and ease of use. With its cushioned seat positioned 12 inches above the ground and adjustable back support, this tricycle is all about ergonomic design. The single-speed drivetrain with a reverse function adds versatility, allowing riders to easily back up if needed. The lightweight alloy steel frame and inflatable rubber tires provide stability and smooth rides on paved roads. The Mobo Cruiser is particularly appealing to riders seeking a relaxed, low-impact biking experience. Its hand caliper brake system ensures reliable stopping power, while the emergency brake system adds an extra layer of safety. However, weighing 46 pounds, it's heavier than some other models and may not be ideal for those needing to transport their tricycle frequently. Additionally, its 3.7-star rating suggests some users experienced issues with assembly or durability. This tricycle is a great option for adults and seniors who want a comfortable and stylish ride for recreational use. It's not designed for heavy-duty tasks or challenging terrains, but for leisurely strolls along the boardwalk or around the neighborhood, it's hard to beat. If comfort and simplicity are your top priorities, the Mobo Cruiser is worth considering. In second place, we have the Razer Deltawing scooter in black and mint green. This sporty three-wheel machine is perfect for riders looking for a mix of fun and functionality. Its steel frame with high-tech polymer wings offers durability and lightweight performance, while the adjustable handlebar height ensures a good fit for different users. The large 16-inch pneumatic front wheel and low-angled trailing rear casters make drifting and spinning easy and thrilling. The Deltawing is ideal for recreational use and is suitable for adults and teens. Its front hand-operated brake ensures reliable stopping power, while the front suspension adds extra comfort during rides. The lightweight design at just 8.79 kilograms makes it easy to maneuver and transport. However, its weight limit of 143 pounds may not accommodate larger riders, and its design prioritizes fun over practicality, making it less suitable for tasks like shopping or commuting. Overall, the Razer Deltawing is perfect for those who want an affordable and exciting way to cruise around. It's great for recreational riders seeking a unique ride style, but may not be the best choice for those needing a more utilitarian tricycle. For its price point, it delivers solid performance and endless fun. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Razer DXT Drift Trike Yellow, one size. This tricycle is where downhill meets drift, offering adrenaline-pumping rides that are perfect for thrill seekers. The steel Trike-style frame, paired with super slider palm rear wheels, allows riders to power slide through corners, execute fast 180s, and throw fishtails with ease. The moto-style handlebars and adjustable bucket seat provide excellent control and comfort for riders aged 14 and up. This trike is built for performance, featuring a front freewheel with BMX-style platform pedals and an alloy crank. Despite its sporty design, it boasts a sturdy build and a weight capacity of up to 198 pounds. At 8.8 kilograms, it's lightweight enough for easy transport, but robust enough for intense use. Its 4.6-star rating from over 4,500 reviews speaks volumes about its quality and popularity among users. However, it's not intended for casual riders or those looking for a utility tricycle, as it's specifically designed for recreational drifting and downhill rides. The Razer DXT Drift Trike is the ultimate pick for adventure enthusiasts who want to take their rides to the next level. It's not the most versatile tricycle on the list, but for sheer fun and performance, it's hard to beat. If you're ready to embrace the thrill of drifting, this is the tricycle for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.